Hello and welcome back to another episode of Rush Outdoors. Sorry there wasn't a video last week, weather was awful, didn't fancy getting struck by lightning up a mountain, either hiking or wild camping. However, today I've come a bit more local because I just needed to get out for a wild camp. Back in the Clwydian Hills. And the reason for being local, I'll explain in a bit. Right, come on, let's go. Gorgeous weather. I'm sure that's a red kite. It's going to be a bit hazy tonight, just because of how hot it is. I'm almost there. This will be my third wild camp here, as you know. 3 different weather types. And I brought the Lanshan again tonight just because I think it'll be a bit cooler in that than the other 2 tents I've got. Anyway, let's get up there. Yeah, so I decided on a local wild camp tonight. Was planning to go up the Pennines with the weather being as nice as it is, but a little surprise today where went for a scan for my little baby that's due, and they've decided they're going to induce next Thursday. Since we've been in the hospital, Zadie's had tons of Braxton Hicks, so I decided against going too far, just stay local. So I've come to the place I've been to twice before, back in February and I think the back end of April. When I came here in February, it was the night before we said goodbye to my Auntie Barbara. And yesterday we sadly said goodbye to my uncle Keith, aka Bud, as he's known locally. So yeah, brought a couple of little cans with me. New one here, Brewdog Clockwork, a Tangerine Session IPA. It is quite nice, to be fair. Quite tangy. So yeah, just come for a chill out. Try and relax. Because I know my nerves are kicking in a little bit now that I'm going to be a daddy again. And in a very short space of time as well. So looking forward to it. Excited. Nervous. Excited. But I know it's going to be a great event. Yeah, it's going to be amazing, to be honest. Just what the doctor ordered, I think. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to stop blabbering on now. Just going to chill for a bit. It's a bit too early to pitch a tent. It's just after 7 p.m. But, you know, we're in the peak of summer now, or sun's not going to go and set till later on tonight. I know it's a quiet area, so I might give it half an hour or so, and then I'll pitch the Lanshan. Brought the Lanshan because I think it's going to be a bit cooler in that than the other two tents. There is a nice breeze at the moment. Yeah, I'm just going to sit here, chill, relax, and enjoy the sun. The golden hour. This one's for my Auntie Barbara and my Uncle Keith. Rest in peace. Another new one to try. Small one. Wingman touchdown lager. This one's 4.5 as well, I think, or 4 point something. 4.8%. So we'll give this one a go. See what it tastes like. That's quite nice, that. Yeah, I like that one. Awesome. Well, it's 8 o'clock gone now. Still lovely and warm. I'm glad the breeze has picked back up because the flies, midges and bees were doing me head in. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful area. I love this. For a local Wildcamp that's on the doorstep with views to die for, like when you're tight on time or got things on and you need to get out, this is the perfect place, to be honest. So the tent is up. Doesn't look straight from here, but it is on the inside. And I've just made a little extended thing with some bungee and little clips just to keep that door back. So I'm going to put the mat up now, put that in, and then just chill again for the rest of the night. Yeah, like I say, doesn't look straight from the outset of the outer, but it is, and the inside's nice and straight. So I'll get the sleeping mat up now. Do love this place. Amazing. I love how green the Clwydians look as well. Absolutely stunning. Only my third one up to now. Classic punk. Finally put some food on the go. my new favourite make, and I'll show you when it's done. So these are only £1.50 in B&M, and they're ideal, and they cook better than the Fray Bentos ones, and they're tasty and delicious as well, and they pack small, and they're only £1.50. Bargain. Well, it has been a cracking evening. Still quite light, just from the natural light and the sun going down. It's wind's picked up a little, but it's lovely, absolutely lovely. Still really warm, even that wind is warm. Now all the silhouettes are starting to show across the Snowdonia range area. I'll pan round now, give you a little look see. It's about 10 o'clock, not far off 10 o'clock anyway, so won't be long before I try and get some sleep. It's 10 past 10. Still a lovely evening. I'm going to try and get my head down now as best as I can. It is lovely warm, even the wind's warm like I said earlier. And then tomorrow is the longest day, 21st of June. After that we lose a minute of light each day. Cutting. Oh, what a night. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. About 11:30. Doesn't matter what I do. I've tightened up the tent about 3 or 4 times now, and the wind just keeps changing direction. And something's flapping, but I can't see what when I go out. It's not very pleasant. The wind. Everything else is okay. If the wind dropped, that'd be fine. We should stay with the Cloud Peak 2 for tonight. Oh well. So I've been out yet again to the tent, and although it is better, it's still not great. I just don't know what else to do now. Just can't get off to sleep, can't relax. I might pack away and go the van, you know. So guys, I just can't settle with the wind. So even when you're bailing, leave no trace. You can see nothing been left behind, and I'm just going to head back down the van. So I'm back in the van. Just wasn't feeling it. and if you're not feeling it, there's no point staying there. Wasn't comfortable with the tent, so apologies for ending the video at this point. Like I said earlier, I've got my little girl due next week, so I need to take a couple of weeks off just to give myself a little bit of a reset and focus on her being born. I do appreciate all the likes, follows, subscriptions, etc. It does really mean a lot to me, and like I say, I'm just going to take a few weeks off, and then hopefully come back revitalised. Right, take care, all the best, and I'll see you soon.